Ever wonder why some websites feel smooth and polished while others feel clunky? The secret is CSS transitions. The transition property creates smooth animated changes between CSS property values. Instead of an instant jump from one state to another, transitions let you control how that change happens over time. This applies to any animatable CSS property like color, size, position, or opacity. Every transition has 4 components. First, the property name tells CSS what to animate, like background color or width. Second, duration controls how long the animation takes, usually in seconds or milliseconds. Third, the timing function defines the acceleration curve, like ease in or linear. And fourth, delay sets how long to wait before starting. You can set all 4 in one line or use them individually. Here's the catch. Transitions don't happen automatically. They need a trigger, something that changes the CSS property value. Common triggers include hover states, focus events, or JavaScript adding or removing classes. When the trigger fires, the transition animates from the old value to the new one. Let's see a real example. Say you want a button to change color smoothly on hover. You set the button's base background color, then add a transition for background color with a duration. When you hover, you change the background color. The transition handles the animation automatically. This same pattern works for drop-downs, modals, image galleries, anything that needs smooth visual feedback. Remember, CSS transitions animate property changes smoothly using 4 components and a trigger. Master this and your interfaces will feel professional and responsive. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.